Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special, with 7,885 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt mufflers, 10-inch handlebars, a tinted windscreen, grips, docking hardware, highway pegs, and mirrors. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide Special puts 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Street Glide has a 200 to 220 mile fuel range. It has a 27.2 inch seat height and an 827 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 1030 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted a front brake pulsation. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint scratches on the right saddlebag. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.